Hello everyone, this is my ninth video and its topic is You are the enemy of yourself. You may surprise by listening this, but this is fact which I will explain in this video. The wind blew a piece of paper and reached the summit of the mountain. The mountain asked, How here? That piece of paper arrogantly replied, How else on its own? After a few moments, the wind came again, and that piece of paper was now lying in a dirty drain. You must have seen some egoistic people around you who often praise themselves and do not desist from degrading others. Nobody likes such people. Ego makes a person quarrelsome, stubborn, selfish, autistic. When their wishes are not fulfilled, sometimes egoistic people also fall victim to depression. So, what is ego? Your ego is your conscious mind, the part of your identity that you consider yourself. If you always like to hear your praise and you don't like to apologize for your mistakes, then this is not the right sign. You should consciously try to control your sense of ego. The sense of ego shuns us from our loved ones and we fall very alone. Because of this, we forget to differentiate between right and wrong. But before talking about the others, we should try to look into our inner self to see if this negative feeling is developing within us. Ego is a part of our subtle body, minds, intellect, ego. Ego is of two types. One is true ego and the other is false ego. I consider myself a soul. This is true ego. I should consider myself as this body and consider everything related to this body as mine. This is false ego. The first aim of humanity, education, is to abandon the false ego and go towards the true ego. Ego is the main reason for our being born in this world. Due to ego, the organism is tied to the body. Do not evaluate yourself honestly is called an ego. When a person is unable to evaluate himself honestly, the habit of thinking of himself as the best makes him egoistic. In childhood, people who do not get the love of parents, such people suffer from inferiority complex. Due to this, the feeling of ego starts to grow in his mind. Even if ego is reflected in the behavior of the parents, children become arrogant. On which ego occurs? On its form, on its splendors, on its intelligence, on its wealth, on its influence, on its prestige. To avoid this problem, first look honestly inside your mind. Stop all the works that are ego strengthened. The ego will automatically reduce. Therefore, to reduce ego, try these measures. The first one, if you want to reduce your ego, make humility the idol of your life. The basis of greatness is humility, not arrogance. The tree rises as high as its roots. The height is always relative to depth. It should be our thinking as well. So, always treat your younger ones either in age, post, socially, or economically in polite manner. This will increase your respect in their heart. Second, always keep in mind that no matter how big you become, you cannot become the greatest. So, involve in such activities in your neighborhood or office where you get a chance to work with team spirit. The third one, consider the impermanence of life. There is nothing in this life worth ego. No one is sustainable. Today it is, tomorrow who knows? So develop a habit of seeing yourself through the eyes of others. Think of the way you treat others. Would you like it for yourself too? Fourth one, ignorant people consider small achievements to be proud of themselves, whereas the knowledgeable also despises great achievements. So try to build confidence in yourself. It will be easier to remove the ego. Fifth one, look at the one above you. This will also reduce your ego. When your ego starts harnessing you, then see whose ego I am. There are bigger people than me, and I am nothing before others. It is not right to be happy by comparing yourself to the weak. This will stop your progress. Inspired by those who are more capable than you and strive to move forward. The sixth, try this. If there is knowledge, there is no ego of knowledge. Quite the habit of doing evil to others. This gives satisfaction to a person's ego, which makes him egoistic. The seventh point, spend time with children. Try to make yourself as comfortable as they are. It is said that an innocent child is hidden in every human being, and we should keep him alive in every situation. The eighth point, the only way to live it is when you consider someone bigger than yourself and go to his shelter and become small. Then this ego will become small. Otherwise, this ego will not become small. So take the initiative to increase friendship with new people. Ninth point, do yoga regularly and read some good spiritual books. This will make it easier for you to keep ego away. At the end, I would like to quote, when a person is sitting idle of humility, even after sitting on the peak of prosperity, then it should be understood that there is no ego at all within him. I would request, keep vibrating your ego. Thank you for today.